Today we're going to go over with you washing your masks. Important to wet the mask on the face. Get some laundry detergent. Put a little or a lot. Put a lot on this time. Make sure you scrub the front of the mask really good. You want to scrub the face of the mask, which is the woven side, which is the outside. Scrub it very well for at least 30 seconds. This is in lukewarm water. Once that's done, you want to go to the inside of the mask. Put some more cleaning detergent inside the mask, and now you want to scrape the inside of the mask. You should do this on both masks for around 1 minute. And now we can rinse the masks. I like to fold them in half and then fold them in smaller pieces, and that way I can wring dry them, and I wring them dry and then I take it back out and it's voila, done.